Hello, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys, and I welcome you all to Oliveboard. So again, I hope I'm audible and visible to each and everyone. So just a quick information on whether I'm properly audible and as well as visible to everyone or not. Before we start, just a very quick confirmation, confirmation on that. So am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? So I hope I'm audible, right? I hope I'm completely audible to everyone. So again, I welcome you all. Very good evening to all of you. Chalo. So let's start with our first question of the day for the mock. So weekend mock. So first of all, how was the mock, everyone? How was the mock? I hope that was okay. It was good. Chalo. First question, sir. If some violet color candies are added to the above number of candies, red, blue, green, pink, yellow, violet is not there. Violet is already not there, so like other colors are given. Average number of candies of each color increases by 6. Acha, total number of violet candies. Sir, it's very simple. Sir, what is the first? First, you figure out the average. Now, either you can go by assumed mean or you take the sum, divide by 5, everything works. Raghu, let's see, brother. Let's see, brother. Now, 15 and this is a 90, 40, 120, 150, sir. And sir, 273, sir, 10. Acha, 250. So, average number of candies will be 50, sir, because 5 like types of candies, total is 250 by 5. Now, what happens, sir? If we add those orange, like violet candies, this average is going up by 6. So, it becomes 56. So, what is the number of candies, sir? 56 plus. How many total added, sir? Everywhere I have added 6. So, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. 5, 6 are 30 I have added, sir. So, total number of violet candies was 86. That's your answer. Raghu is absolutely correct. Raghu is 100% correct here. So we could say option D, 86 is the correct answer. Very simple question. Not difficult at all, right? Chalo. Acha. Next question, sir. This is the second question. This is your second question. Now again, a shopkeeper sold a pen for this and got a percentage profit equal to numerical value of cost price. Acha. Sir, profit, percentage profit, sir, it is equal to given as CP. The numerical value, only the values are same. Sir, whenever you see this, there's a good technique. You can do it normally. Let me show you one technique. You see, always in those situations, mostly you will get just, excuse me, excuse me. Reena, very good evening, Reena. Very good evening, Reena. So again, good evening to everyone. Acha, the thing that I was saying, sir, they always you see 0 are there in the options. Get rid of those zeros. Mostly 99% cases options will have a 0. Now just check, sir, 119. 119. Is it divisible by any of these? Sir, it is an odd number, cannot be divisible by 6, not 8, not by 5, because 119 doesn't have 5 or 0 at the end. So only thing 7. Yes, sir, 7s are divisible. 7, 17s are 119, sir. Correct? Sir, always this is your answer. This has to be your answer. Now you might say, why? There is a definite case, sir. Why are you saying, sir, this 70 is the answer? Please understand, sir. Please understand. If this line, what does this line mean? Profit percentage is this. Sir, it means SP will be CP into, sir, 100 plus CP by 100, because profit percentage is equal to CP only. So if you calculate this, you just put 70 here. Sir, 170 meaning, sir, this will become 170 by 100. Can you guys see why I'm saying it is 7 into 70? So my answer is a multiple of this 7. You see, this is how I figured it out. So I've just done what? I've just gone opposite. So it's a 10 seconder if you know. This only happens if this line is there or this particular statement. Percentage profit is equal to CP. Percentage profit is equal to CP. If this is there, then only you can say this. Perfect, sir. Now, topper 35 seconds later, matlab, so topper already knew this because otherwise the question might be a little lengthy. Chalo, sir. Chalo, everyone. Next one, next one, next one. Let's see, sir. So this is 60 degree. Acha, sir, that means this is how much? This is, if this is 60, this is 120. Acha, the figure is not correct. Definitely the figure should be opposite side, but theek hai, chalo. We will manage, sir. So if this is 120, sir, this is 240 because total has to be 360. Now that means x and y. What is the sum of x and y, sir? Total OACB. This is a quadrilateral, sir. Total has to be 360 degree. From there, this is 250, this is like 60, 300 gone. So can I say the rest of the two angles, sum will be 60? They are not asking this. They are asking supplementary angle of this. So supplementary means total is 180. So if this is 60, the supplementary angle will be, sir, 120. That's your answer, sir. That's your answer, sir. Raghu, not 60, brother. It has to be how much? It has to be 120. That's option B. Very, very, very simple, right? चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़े. O is a point inside the parallelogram WXYZ. Okay, WXYZ. अच्छा, and bisector of Y and Z are OY and OZ. अच्छा. Sir, it is, this point is O. This point is given as O. Now, angle bisector, so YOZ, this angle is given as 85 degrees. And angle W is this, 74 degrees. Value of OZW. OZW means at this angle, and sir OYX, that means this angle. अच्छा, it's very simple. It is very simple. हाँ, ऐसा पूछ लिया. Sir, the question, I feel it's wrong. I feel the question is wrong, sir. It's not correct. Raghu is saying what? I didn't see supplement. Arey, Raghu, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. This question is wrong, sir. Why you? I might say, sir. This is the angle bisected. So if this is x, this is x. This is also bisected. If this is y, this is y. So 2x plus 2y. We know 2x plus 2y is 180. तब तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर, ये हमेशा x plus y will be 80. Sorry, 90. This is x and y. So answer to 90. Okay. But then why this 74, this 85 is given? This is a wrong question, everyone. This question is not right. ठीक है. अच्छा, कोई दूसरे technique they have used? Some other technique they might have used. Why, sir, 74, this will be total. But sir, this question is not right. 74, 85. अच्छा, 95 भी उधर से हो सकता है. Let's see ना. 90, wrong, sir. I told you ना, question सही नहीं है. 95, हाँ sir, ये correct. So actually, let me say once again, this is a wrong question, everyone. This question was not right, sir. It's wrong. Meaning by one property you can get, sir, 90, another property is saying 95. So it's like it's better you avoid this. You don't need to do it. A mistake from our end. It is a mistake from our end. ठीक है? ये हमारे तरफ से गलत. Sir, Kiran purchased highlighted and pencil from a shop for total 180. Following data, a value of x. अच्छा, per unit price, quantity. So pencils are total 120. Total he has spent is 180. So here he has spent, sir, 60 rupees. So that means x is what, sir? You don't need to calculate. 10 into 6 gives you 60. So the answer to this is option C. Option C, 6 is the correct answer. Yes, Reena, Raghu, everyone. Yes, Raghu, that's different, na, brother. Why, sir, garbar ho gaya? Like you see, triangle property is giving you 95. whereas the like parallelogram property is giving you the answer as 90. Correct? So that is the reason I've told ki bhai ye wala last wala question was correct, incorrect. 54 was incorrect. Remember, sir. Sir, divisible by something. This expression is divisible by that expression. Meaning, sir, this is a question of factor theorem. This is a question of factor theorem, sir. I've told you this multiple times, sir. That means if you put x minus 3 equal to 0, so that means x is equal to 3, sir. No? So if you put this 3 in this equation, the whole or this expression, this whole expression should be equal to 0. So x की जगह 3 बैठा दो. So 27, 2s are 54, plus sir, 3 square is 9, minus sir 18, plus a. That must be equal to 0. Sir, 54, so a is minus 45, sir. Option A, sir. Option A is your correct answer. Yes, A, Raghu, Reena, both of you guys are 100% correct. Now again, as if you're liking the content that we are providing and definitely the solutions, please do hit the like. Please do hit the like. That is the best way to support us, right? Again, sir, ये तो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन है सर. Sir, why? Sir, a square minus b square, we can see 25 5 square, 9 is 3 square. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b divided by sir a plus b. Sorry, I've written small. ठीक है, no worries, ये कट जाएगा. So this square, this gone. Minus by plus will be the answer. Option C, sir. Option C, minus by plus is the answer. Correct? So option C is your correct answer. 10 seconder. Questions तो बहुत सीधा लग रहा है. This week the questions again looks very easy. Sir, again. Sir, we all know if a plus 1 by a is equal to p, then a square plus 1 by a square becomes p square minus 2. Now, what places are there? Sir, they will put some coefficients in front of x. Now, again, I've told you this. If the coefficients ऊपर भी है, नीचे भी है. So this one as well as this one, if they are same, it doesn't matter. You don't even need to take the coefficient because that will cancel. That will cancel. So first things first, what is the value of x root 5 and this? So 3 will go that side, it will become 8, sir. 11 minus 3. And you see square it, root 5 will become 5. And both are same. So answer will be, sir, 8 square minus 2 only. Otherwise, if it is not same, meaning, sir, let's say it is given root 5x plus 1 by x equal to, let's say, sir, 6 given. And they are asking 5x square plus 1 by x square value. In that case, what will happen, sir? 2 you cannot take like alone. You into the multiplication of the coefficient. So in this case, the coefficient is root 5 and 1. So you need to multiply that into the coefficients. But in this case, you don't need it. The answer will be 62. But in this case, the answer will not be 62. It will be, sir, 8 square minus 2 root 5, sir. Perfect, sir. So in this case, the answer is 62, option A. But again, do remember this. Like SSC CGL have already asked you these types. And एक line में करना है तो that is the way. Leo, Prashant, absolutely perfect. चलो sir, आगे बढ़े. ये red color is not good. चलिए. Sir, to finish a project, the efficiencies of P, Q, and R. अच्छा sir, efficiency ratio is given 4, 6, and 5. Okay. P starts working first after 4 days R joined. Next 4 days after Q joined. Total 12 days. Acha sir. P has worked for 12 days because P started and P finished. R has worked for how many days? After 4 days R joined. So R has worked for 8 days, sir. And Q has joined 4 more days after, meaning Q has only worked for 4 days. Achha, sir. Now let's take, sir, P can do 4 units a day, 6 units a day, 5 units a day. So total work will be this. Total work is this, sir. Now who will do this work? Sir, how much time P alone can do this? Sir, divide by 4 is the answer because that's the efficiency of P. एक line का question. Total work and total, like who will do? P will do, divided by P. P is the efficiency. Sir, 4 cancels, cancels, cancels. Sir, answer will be 12 plus 6, 18 plus 10, 28 days, sir. Option C. So option C it is, because it is 28, sir. Done. Done, sir. Abhi, very good evening, brother. Very, very good evening. Is it clear? There is no shorter way than this. You see, no formula, nothing, just understanding. Just about all about understanding, sir. सर टॉपर से हम लाइक थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छे से करेंगे. ओके, चलो सर नेक्स्ट वन. चलो क्लियर ना एवरीवन, एवरीबडी. Again a quick disclaimer, if you get stuck somewhere, anywhere you are saying कि सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा, I'm not understanding this, feel absolutely free to ask. Don't think it's a YouTube session, ये है वो है, उतना सोचो ही मत. ठीक है, do not think that much, just ask sir. Two numbers, average of 2a and 3b is this. Sir, average of 2a and 3b, that is divided by 2, sir. Sum by 2, it is 5a. B, acha, b in terms of a likh do, khatam, sir. So it will become 10a minus this, that is 8a equal to 3b, sir. Sir, b is 8 by 3 times of a. So they are asking this. B is what, how much, how many times? Sir, 8 by 3, option C is the answer. Option C, 8 by 3, Reena, Raghu, Prashant, everyone. Absolutely correct, sir. Absolutely correct. Very, very good. Next one, sir. अरे थोड़ा छोटा. चलो. A train can cross this much meters, of length this much long in 48 seconds. Sir, if it wants to cross this particular tunnel, it needs to cross its own length plus the length of the tunnel. So it means it needs to cross 720 plus 480 meters. This much distance it is crossing in 48 seconds. Perfect. How much time can it cross a platform of this? If the train now wants to cross this particular platform, sir, how much distance it needs to go? Sir, distance, length of the platform plus its own length. Sir, ये पूछा है sir. Sir, एक line का sir, this is 2000. It's very evident this is 2000 meters. And this is, sir, how much? 1200 meters, right? So 1200 meters in this much seconds. So this much will be, sir, 48 by 1200 and sir into 2000. Right, sir? 0000, 2 10s are this, 2 6 are this. और भी जल्दी कर सकते थे, but ठीक है चलो. 3 16s are this. So 80 seconds is going to be the answer. Option number A, 80 seconds is the answer. Yes, Raghu, that's the thing. That is exactly the thing. You don't need to go for speed. देखो, Raghu has made a very good point, which I have also followed. कि देखो भाई, speed हमको नहीं चाहिए. We do not need to figure out the speed. Smarter persons, smarter like students will not. Though the person, like the student who has practiced enough number of questions, just by looking at this statement, he or she will say, "Arey sir, you don't need anything. Just go with this." Simple unitary method works wonders here. You do not need to do anything else. बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ. ठीक है? चलो sir, let's do. 676 is 26, right? Root over of this. Sir, 18 times 26 plus 480, 20% means, sir, this is 600. Sir, meaning, sir, minus at 480 this, sir, minus 120. Don't do it. Now, why I'm saying don't do it? All options I can see. There are 4 options. Unit digits are different. So whenever I'm seeing this, the thing that is running in my mind कि भाई हम वो use करेंगे. We are going to use that. थोड़ा काम चोर टाइप है हम लोग सर. Sir, this is 7 2s are 14 4s are 18, sir. But sir, there is a off here. So you need to do this first because Bodmas rule is saying off comes right after brackets. So ये कर लो sir. 9 by 14 into, sir, this is 3 5s are 15 plus 2 8 17 by 3, sir. 3 3s are this. So 51 by 14, sir. Now this thing divided by this. So I can I say it is multiplied by 14 by sir 51? Calculate sir. Because unit digit doesn't work in the denominator. So I must calculate this. इतना तो करना है sir. So 3 6 are this, 3 17s are this. ये 17 sir ऊपर चला जाएगा. And 6 से sir, 6 3s are this and sir 6 20s are this. So ultimately, so 3 into 6 is 8, else like unit digit, minus 0 means 0 in only sir. Into sir, there will be this 17 का 7. So 6 will be the unit digit. हाँ, गलत कर दिया क्या हमने? एक second sir, just a second. Have I made some error? Sir, 6 3s are this, 20s are this, right? 3 6 are 18 minus it's 0. तो 6 आना चाहिए sir. Have I made any error sir? You guys are getting 3. 3 आ रहा है sir. Just a second. 9 by 14 into 15 to 17 by 3. And this is sir 14 plus 4 7. अरे ये 2 है ना सर. अरे भाई पागल हूँ क्या मैं? Sir, this is 13. This is 10. Sorry sir. Sorry sir. This is 9. 3 into 3 minus 0 into 7 sir. Extremely sorry, sir. Extremely sorry. So it is 9 sevens and last में 3. That's your answer, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Raghu, thank you so much. वो देखो दो आंखों के सामने था. It was right in front of us. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it. I don't know why. I do not know why, but again, I couldn't see it. Sir, those who are savvy with pi in my batches have told you say if I say sine pi by 3, you should say sir root 3 by 2. You should not need sir pi means 180 root 3 into 180 like this thing and that. Sorry, 180 by 3. Pi means you remember those values. Now I can see this. कुछ नहीं देखेंगे sir. I won't see anything. This is sine pi sir. That is equal to 0. Why? Because sine on x-axis, on this x-axis, sine is always 0, sir. Whether it's on the positive side, on the negative side, it is always 0. Similarly, for this related question, cos will always be 0 on this y-axis. On y-axis, cos is 0. Here, sir, sine is pi 0. Sine pi means that this is over here on the negative side of x-axis. And 0 into anything you do, the answer can be only one number, that is 0. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely correct you guys are. Reena, Raghu, everyone, 100% correct. But again, I need answers from others as well. I'm getting answers from 2-3% only. Need answers. Today is the notification day of the biggest exam of the year, right? Of your of the series of exams that you guys are preparing for. So again, you must give it that. Abhi to time hai. So sales tax reduced from this. Acha, 2 minus, like always, reduction meaning percentage. So minus if I do, 2 cancels because 2 whole 1 by 2 means 2 plus 1 by 2. So it's ultimately 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, meaning 1 by 6% difference. Of what? Of this, of 6,600 rupees. Sir, percentage and double zero gone because by 100. So the answer will be, sir, 11. Option number A. Option number A, 11 is the correct answer, sir. Use a little bit of your brain. A little bit, not too much. Baki subjects bhi hai, right? Chalo. In a cuboid, the length is 12 centimeter more than width and the width is 2. Acha. Sir, height is h. So width will be twice 2h. Sir, length will be, sir, 2h plus 12. That thing we know. Sum of the length, width and height is this. 57. Then volume of the cuboid. Okay, sir. So sum of these three, sir. 2h, 2h, h, 5h plus 12, sir. That is equal to 57. So H is equal to, sir, 45. This is 5, sir. Okay, sir. Achha, let's not do this. Check multiples. In these situations, na, check multiples, sir. थोड़ा multiple check कर लो, answer आ जाएगा, because unit digits are also different. So H is 5. This is 10. Right? अच्छा, एक चीज में, अरे यार, sorry भाई, 5 9s are 45 ना. 9 के जगह मैंने इधर 5 लिख दिया, पता नहीं क्यों. सर ये 9, सर, this is 18. This is, sir, 18 plus 12, 30. अरे सर 30 है तो answer will end in 0. Because 30 means 3 into 10. 10 multiple means answer will end in 0. Option C is the answer, sir. Option C is the answer. Yes, yes, Raghu. So again, that's the thing. That's the thing. बहुत कुछ था ही नहीं, sir. There is nothing like to be very afraid of, very skeptical about, right? Very simple questions. And again, चलो, I will suggest, I'll ask everyone कि भाई थोड़ा, if you're liking the content, please do hit that like. ही एक request है. Sum of this much divided in two parts. First part this much interest, second part this much interest. Simple interest. अच्छा सर एक काम करो. Understand, sir. Sir, 12% interest, 15% interest. Correct, sir? Now please understand. Total interest are equal, sir. Meaning total interest, like how do we get? We like get it by principal into the percentage of interest or rate of interest. So rate of interest are in the ratio 3 4s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Right? So always a principal ratio will be opposite. 5 ratio 4. Principal, and if the total interest is constant, principal and rate of interest, they are in inverse proportion. So total 4,500 divided in this. Sir, 9 parts is 45. This is a 2,500 and this is a 2,000. Now they are asking what? They are asking simple interest of each part. Sir, both are equal. You take anything. Sir, 2,500 ka 12%. That is 300 rupees, sir. This is per year, asking for 2 years. The answer will be 600 option. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Now again, please understand why this happens. If you are skeptical कि सर ये आपने direct क्यों लिख दिया? Because you understand principal ratio, I don't know, into rate of interest ratio. Time is same. So rate of interest ratio is 4 and 5. So P into R gives you I na. So that is equal, meaning 1 by 1. So P into R gives you I. So P ratio will be I by R. So 1 by 4 ratio 1 by 5. That's why I'm saying it's inverse ratio. You see, that is equal to 5 by 4. If you want to think like this, because in our percentage chapter, I've told you, if there is something 3 variables, x into y equal to z, always think with this compound ratio technique. Very, very, very useful. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Very simple, not difficult. Chalo, sir. Sir, value put करना है normal करना है? Normal करो, sir. Best option. Cot is given and sir, divide this ना by sine square. Sine square से divide करोगे, this is 1. Cos by sine becomes cot square. Sine square gone, sir, this becomes cot square. Put down the value 15 plus 3 times cos square, that means a 9 by 2, sir. 3 times cot, अच्छा cot square है ना, sorry, sir. Square है, sir. Extremely sorry. There you will be a square. Square means, sir, cot A is this, so cot square A. This will be 9 by 4. So 3 into 9 by 4 is 27 by 4, sir. And this will be, sir, 5 here minus, because this 5 is remaining, minus 2. Cot square A means, sir, 9 by 4. Achha, let's keep 4. Don't do anything. Do not cancel. Okay? Because, sir, for 20 minus 18, it will be 2 here, sir. And it is a 60 plus this 87 here, sir. Baki sab kuch kat jayega. Option D is the answer. Option D is definitely the answer. Yes, Raghu, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So again, I hope not difficult. It is quite easily doable. It is quite easily doable. Another way, if you want, na, sir, cot is given, na. Cot means sine by cos by sine, and also, sir, over here also cos by sine or sine by cos given. So in that case, you can directly take cos is this, sine is this. But again, it looks very odd because sine and cos can never be more than one. But for the ratio purposes, it solves your purpose. It solves your actual purpose. Okay? But again, I'll definitely say the division method is better. Like mathematically better. Chalo sir. Total expenditure given on rent. It is what percentage? Rent total means this. Total rent is this of total food. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाए सर. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाए सर. सोचो without not every time you need to do every question. So just let's look at the options. Sir, 300 1% is equal to 3 point something, right? So if my answers were 1%, 2% like that, then I would have calculated. But you see, everything, this is in hundreds and this is in unit digit 3, 3.2, 2.1, plus something like this. You do not need to solve this. I will say, sir, answer is 1%. Because there is only one option around that 1% mark. If there are a couple of options, then definitely have to do. Then definitely we must do. But again, see the options because 10% means 10% means if this is 300, it will be in the 30s. 15% means a little bit more. 8% also is very close to 10. So there is absolutely no way we can have anything other than that 1% mark. So that's your answer, 100%. Clear, I hope. I hope it is clear. No need to solve. No need to solve actually. Arey, sir. This is a property, sir. Option D is the answer. Whenever you see this square and this is 3 here, this 3 is very important. 3 needs to be here, sir. Now you might say, sir, samajh mein nahi aa raha. Like, how did you say? Just think. Take any values. You can do it by figuring this out. Normally, you can break it down and you can do. Okay? I'll show you that method as well. But again, let's take, sir, A equal to B equal to C equal to 1 le lo, sir. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 square, that is 9, sir. Sir, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 into 3, sir, 9. You see, the equation is getting satisfied. So this must be our answer. But again, you might say, sir, how are you getting this? This actually comes from, in my classes, I've shown you, कि भाई देखो, if this is, अरे यार, sorry, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times abc. Just understand if you don't know this already. It is a plus b plus c into formula to we all know. Correct, sir? Now this thing, if you multiply by 2 or take half multiply 2, you can write this as 1 by 2 common a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. And from there you get the, if it is equal to 0, then you get this a equal to b equal to c. So same thing, if you just break it down, you will get this twice of a square plus twice of b square plus twice of c square, and sir, like to minus twice of a b b c c a, that thing. So you can definitely say then the same conclusion that D will be the answer. But again, I've shown you both the ways. Remember this. This is very, very important. Very, very important. I told you, if A plus B plus C is 0, AQ plus BQ plus CQ will be 3ABC. But if ulta is given, AQ plus BQ plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0, then there are two conclusions. One conclusion is A plus B plus C is 0. Another conclusion is this one, sir, A and B and C, all three are equal. This is another conclusion, comes from the second part of that equation. Okay? Proofs वगैरह मैंने दिखाए थे, sir. Sir, cosec square theta, cot square theta, I told you, sir, very important, sir, because we already have another equation. So just I'm writing, 3 cosec square theta plus 7 cot square theta Cosec square and cot square already we have one identity, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. It is equal to 1. Now I need 7 here. So it's a काम करो. So multiply this equation by 7. Take the addition. So 10 cosec square theta, it is equal to 20, sir. So this is 2. Cosec is 2. So sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Or you can directly write, sir, cosec theta root 2. Theta is 45 degrees, option D. Theta is 45 degrees, which is option D, sir. So again, everybody, it should be clear. This is the way to move forward. This is definitely the way to move forward in this question. Let me say this. Arey yaar. Let me just say this. The same question can come along with sec and tan as well, because the same property is shown by sec and tan. So if cosec cot se aaya, there might be a question where you will need sec and tan. Okay? So don't get confused there. Same thing, same approaches. So just a second, thoda mera AC na. Chalo. Chalo, sir. Salary of A is 20% more. Sorry. It is 20% more than B. Expenditure of B is 25% more than A. Okay. If the expenditure of B is 3 by 2 times the savings of A, acha, savings is given. Acha sir, let's do one thing. In these questions, na, wo dimag ka thoda dahi banata hai. Write down everything. Write it down so that you don't get confused. Savings. So savings of A, we know 6,000, it is given. Expenditure of B is 3 by 2 times. 3 by 2 times of 6,000 means 9,000 rupees. That is expenditure of B. So expenditure of B is 9,000 rupees. They are asking the savings of B. This is they are asking. Achha. Expenditure of B is 120, like 25% more means 125%. So 125%, A will be 100% of the expenditure of A. So expenditure of B, I know that is 9,000. So this is 4, this is 5. 5, 18s and 90s, right? So 1800. So that is 7,200, sir. 7,200 savings of, this is what? This is the expenditure of A. I don't need this, do I? Acha, salary I need. I need it, sir. This is 13,200. Why, sir? We all know income is expenditure plus savings. Basic concept. So whatever I earn, जो मेरा income होगा, either I'll expend or I'll save. There is no other option in front of me, right? There are no other options. Now 13,200 is income. What about B, sir? Now there is this thing, sir. A is 20% more than B. So meaning this 13,200. Use the modular method. So this is 120%, and I need B, that is 100%. This is, sorry, this is 5, sir, and this is 6. Calculation, 622s are this 100. So this is, sir, 11,000 rupees. So 11,000 income, expenditure 9,000, savings to bachcha bhi bol dega, sir, 2,000. Now it was a little calculative. It was a little calculative, option D. A little calculative. Reena, you are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, sister. So again, a little calculative question. But again, you see, all the questions were very easy. So ek adha question thoda calculative. They also have the right to do this. 3 persons this invested total. Acha, P invested this 8,000 less than Q. This is 12,000 more than R. Okay, sir. R ko le lo, sir. R, let's say, invested P rupees. Let's say R has invested P. Q invested 12,000 more. P plus 12,000, sir. Sorry, Q. P 8,000 less, meaning, sir, P plus 4,000 minus plus 12,000, this. So total is 82. Sir. It's so simple. Hai? Total is given to you as 82,000, sir. Correct? Sir, P will be directly, sir, 3P. This is, sir, 16 minus kar do, sir. 12, 12 gone 70, 66, 22,000. P value, the like this is. Now, total profit is this. How much? I need ratio. Sir, you need ratio, sir. You again need ratio because division का चक्कर है, sir. Division का चक्कर है, sir. So P will be how much, sir? P is 22. I'm not writing thousands because वो तो ratio ही लेना है, sir. Correct? So this is R, this is Q, this is P. So Q invested 22 plus 12, that is 34,000, so 34. And this is, sir, 4, meaning, sir, 22 plus 4, 26. Correct, sir? P receive. Sir, it will be a multiple of 26. It will be a multiple of 26. I'll not do the entire calculation. Check na, sir. Sir, all are divisible by 2. Meaning I need to check the divisibility rule of 13. So 13 2s are 26. 107. No, sir, it's not divisible. 121. No, sir, not divisible. This is 13, 26, 68. Yes, sir, this is divisible. 65, 39. Sir, this will be my answer, but still, let's check this one, no, sir. Sir, 82, 78, 48, not divisible, sir. So only option C is divisible by 13. So wahi mera answer hoga, sir. You see, very, very simply, we can say option C will be the answer. We will not do the entire thing. Already you have done much calculations on this question. Perfect, sir. Perfect, I hope. I hope this is perfect. अरे यार क्या टच लग गया. Sorry. It was a mistake. मेरा टच लग गया सर. चल. ST1 ये आंखों के सामने दिखेगा ना रेड कलर का. It bothers. It really bothers, right? चलो ठीक है क्या ही करें. STU right angled at T, sir. S, this is T, this is U, sir. Points V and W are on ST, अच्छा, such that this, अच्छा. S, so this is one part, this is two parts, this is three parts. Parallel है क्या? हाँ ये देखो parallel. वो ऐसा होगा sir. Diagram will be like this. And sir, X and Y, अच्छा, these points were V and W, V1, W1. And sir, on SU such that Vx, this is X and this is Y, sir. And TU, right? These three are parallel. Meaning, sir, this small triangle, the medium triangle, and the large triangle, all are similar to each other, sir. All of these are similar. Now, what we'll do, sir? Okay. TU is 48. This is given as 48 centimeters. Perfect, sir. Now, think. Sir, if this is a total 3 and this part is 3, meaning total part is 6. So that means this, if I take the medium triangle and the bigger one, so this will be half of this because this is double 3 and this is 6. This much is 3 and total is 6. So if 48, this will be 24. Again think, sir. Sir, this is one part and this whole thing is 6 parts. So this will be 1 by 6. So if this is 48, so this is 8, sir. 48 by this. They're asking what? Vx plus Wy. अच्छा यही पूछा है sir. 8 and 24 से 32. 32 will be the answer. Option number A, sir. Option number A. Unknown, Reena, Raghu, again everyone. Absolutely correct, you guys are. You guys are 100% correct, sir. ये हमको simple था. Now again, sir. Next one. Find the area of a circle, maximum radius that can be inscribed in a rectangle. So rectangle inscribe means, sir, smaller side always width barabar hoga, right? Because otherwise, if I take the length barabar, if I take along the length, so some part of the circle will be outside. That I cannot do. Now that means, sir, breadth, the smaller side, that smaller side, na sir, it will be kind of the diameter of the circle. Achha, let me just write, like draw this. It will look something like this. It will look something like this. This is X, sir. And so this is x minus 3, correct? And this is your diameter, sir. This is exactly your diameter. So meaning radius will be the half of this. So radius will be, sir, x minus 3 divided by 2. They're asking area, in terms of this. So pi into, sir, this thing squared, sir. Sir, pi by 4, it will be x squared minus 6x plus 9, sir. Check the options. Sir, by 4 to key hai, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B has to be the answer. Reena, Raghu, again, everyone, you guys are 100% correct. You guys are 100% correct. B hi tha na. Sir, last question. Sir, highest among this. Sir, always remember in these questions. Sir, this is the lowest power na. Yahi sir answer hoga. You can check. I'll definitely. I will definitely show you the actual rule as well. But again, this is one shortcut. Now, why shortcut again? Everything is based on logic, sir. Sir, LC4, the powers, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 12. Take the LCM, sir. LCM is how much, sir? Sir, 6 hai na, 6 2. This is a 12 is itself is the LCM, sir. So 10 to the power 1 by 4. So what you do, take the power, the LCM as power for everything. And sir, 60 to the power 1 by 12 to the power 12, sir. So this is 60 only 60 to the power 1. This is a 24 to the power 2, that is 576. And this is a 10 to the power 3, that is 1000. You can see this is highest. So if powers are same, we are getting this is highest. So if I take the square root or like some nth root, I will get that as highest only. So always do this power. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So that was our question number 75 and we completed that with ease. So there was only one question in the paper that was wrong. I guess वो 54th वाला था, right? I guess that was 54th wala. I don't really remember. 54th means ye wala. Ha, sir. Right? This was the only wrong question in the paper. But again, apologies. You see, the person or the team that makes these papers, they are also human beings just like you and me. I make mistakes, you guys make mistakes, everyone makes mistakes. So that was one mistake. So again, that will definitely be it. So again, today is notification day. Again, all the best sabko. And abhi se, if you haven't started yet, this is the right time to start. You cannot delay your preparation anymore. This is the abhi nahi to kabhi nahi time. Okay, now or never. So you must give your 100%, even 120% in these upcoming days. So today, I don't know, class ke andar aa gaya to that's a different thing, right? Otherwise, एक second, sir. अच्छा, so class के अंदर आ गया तो that's a different thing. But again, it is anytime the notification can come, like within the next hour or so, hopefully. So again, prepare for it, do everything possible. If you need some help, you can we'll take the YouTube classes as usual. But again, if you need some supplementary preparation, do consider joining our super late program, where you will get live classes, mocks, everything, the comprehensive preparation. So you can, if you want, you can consider joining that. The details will be there in the description, in the comment box, as well as you can always visit our site or app. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I will again see you guys tomorrow with the NTPC mock. Till then, please take care and bye bye from my end. Thank you so much. Take care and अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते रहो.